Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your social media game strong and secure. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to lock your profile picture on Instagram in 2025. With privacy concerns on the rise, this feature is a game changer for protecting your personal images from unwanted screenshots or shares. Whether you're a content creator or just a regular user, locking your profile pic can give you that extra layer of control. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. This feature is part of Instagram's updated privacy tools for 2025, so updates are key. Open the app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Privacy section. That's where the magic happens. Look for an option called Profile Picture Lock, or something similar. Instagram might label it as Protect Your Profile Photo. Tap on that, and you'll see a toggle switch to enable it. When you turn it on, Instagram will prompt you to confirm. This feature works by making your profile picture non-screenshotable for non-followers, adding a blur effect or requiring authentication for views. It's that simple, but remember, this doesn't make your account completely private, so pair it with other privacy settings for full protection. One quick tip: if you're on a desktop version of Instagram via the web, you might need to manage this through the app, as web features can lag behind. Also, keep an eye on Instagram's updates because tech evolves fast. There you have it. Your profile picture is now locked and loaded for better security. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe online, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.